Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to take only the audio from a video in VN Video Editor. So first of all, you need to open the VN application, and from here, you have to bring your video onto the timeline. After that, you need to click on the video like this, and then scroll here. You have to find this option called Extract Audio. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, you'll see that the audio has been separated from the video. Now, click on the video and simply grab it from here and delete it. You can click on it and delete it from here. As soon as you delete it, the audio above will be separated. So, this is how you can separate audio in VN Video Editor. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.